Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to select a single text box, single drop-down value and multi-selected drop-down value. Okay, in this video I'm going to take a demo application. Okay, in this demo application both the places like a single selection place select tag is there and multi-selection also a select tag is there. And next video session place I'm going to show you how to select if there is no select tag. That I will explain you on next video session. That will take a lengthy concept. That's why I'm going to take for separate session. Okay. Just I'm going to creating here one file, new file, and that is for dropdown.cy.js. Okay, this is my test case, and I'm going to create here first my suit I describe, and I'm going to provide the name of that dropdown. Okay, and I'm going to create for function, and then I'm going to take for test case and head of that single and multiple dropdowns, and we can able to create the function of this. And here I'm going to create for my visit site. Okay, and I'm going to take the this is the sample website only. Okay, here we can able to see single selections, we can able to control, we can able to select the multiple values, and also we can able to choose single drop down. Okay, this is the case we can able to use it. Default is Asia is there. Other than the Asia we need to choose and we need to select. And first we'll see this one whether it is selected, tag art is there or not. It is selected is what is the tag we can able to use means name we have. Okay, and in case if there is no attribute of that particular select, okay, you can able to use for get select only. If you use the get select, then by default it will select for that. Okay, based upon that which one we are going to provide a option, that particular options it will choose. Please remember that in case if you have multiple drop downs, okay, but same options you have means it will select which is the one first it is presented, that particular one it will select. Sometimes it will select for second one, but most of the time it will select which is the first comes in the top to down, that particular location it will verify. Okay, and in case if you don't have the same options in the same selected place, then it will choose which one it is having. And now I'm going to take the container attribute. Before that I need to take the URL and to paste. Then we are going to use first get, and I'm going to create the single quotation a name attribute, and I need to provide that container. Okay, I'm closing this here, and here we need to use for select method because we are going to use for selecting a drop down. Other than the drop down, if we can able to use type and checkbox purpose, right? The similar for select is basically selecting the drop down value purpose. We are going to using the method. Okay, now I'm going to which one we can able to do. First I'm going to take for Africa. Okay, now I'm going to use here single quotation and the value. Once we save here, we can able to open npx Cypress, open. E to E. Now my test case is dropped down. You can able to see now the page it will load, and also we can able to see the single selection. Default is Asia, and after that it will comes for South Africa. it will take some time late, and first time it is loading me, that time it will take more time. And in the same browser, if you open multiple, you can see now Africa it is displayed. Right, in case if you want Australia now, you can choose the Australia, copy and comes to our test case place, Africa place, you can change and save it. Then whenever you comes to here, now you can able to see I replace that Africa to Australia. Now it will select the drop down value as a Australia. Again, take some time. Australia only. It is taking more time actually comparing to first time. Stopping test case and again I'm rerunning the test case. Because it took very long actually. It should not take that much. Now you can see here Australia now, right? I'm stopping this epic now, and we can able to go ahead and selected this particular drop down value. How we can able to multi selection, we can able to do it. See, in this command we can able to take any two of them. We can able to select. Here browser command is the top, it is there, we can able to choose any two. And I'm going to take first switch command, and here also selenium command is the name attribute is there, and I'm going to take the same name attribute. For multi selection purpose I'm copying the same, because everything almost the same only, and the name it is selenium commands. I'm going to change the selenium commands. Now I'm going to take for my switch commands is the one to choose. Then how we can able to means we can able to specify here only, but by specifying multi selection purpose we can able to choose array. Okay, array multi selection value. Sometimes like in some organization they will not use select, they will use directly HTML tags only, li ui ul, like that they will use, and they will implement the test case developments. Okay, and that moment we can able to use a different format. Okay, now I'm going to save this one. Now we need to see Australia as well as switch command and wait command. Okay, by selecting this multi selections in a drop down. Now again it is taking more time. Now you can see now there are two values are selected, and even above you can see Australia. Okay, there are the two options it is done. Okay, this is all about for selectioning single selection and multi selection by using Cypress in a dropdown. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.